Hello, YouTube family, welcome back to another episode of Gele Time. So, guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Please, you're welcome. If you're new here, you're welcome. If this is your first time, this is High Time Gele. So, I think this is asoke. Yes, I have made a video using this gele, and I would like you guys to go and watch it. I've uploaded it. Please watch, like, and share. Please feel free to share. You can be helping somebody, so feel free to share this video with others. So in this video, I'm showing you guys how I tied a round gele, or just round normal gele that we used to see, Yahoo's gele and all the likes. So yeah, am I making pleats? Like I used to say, making pleats on gele has to do with patience. You have to patiently make pleats. So here am I making pleats on this, since I'll be needing these steps. Now you can make as much steps as you like, and you can make them as small as possible. On my own step, I think they're always big. Yeah, this step I'm making are big. Well, I made them more, but you can make them very tiny. Just to reduce the folding, the way you fold. That's how to make it tiny. But I am making big folds. That's why my plates look big. So yeah, see I'm shining my eyes. So yeah, I'm making plates. I think this was the last plate I did. Like I used to say, tying gele deals with patience, seriously. So if you have not seen any of my other gele videos, please go and watch them. This my hair really disturbed. I should have just packed it, but I didn't pack it and I had to deal with it. So if your hair, if you don't even make hair, you are at more advantage. Can you see me tying? So I made one hand shorter and the other one longer. That was what I did after flipping it over the back. So I took the longer hand. Yeah, this is the longer hand. I flipped it over, wanting to start making pleats. So I started making pleats. This time around, I'm going to make fuller pleats. Yeah, I'm trying to close up the pleats. That was why I was moving the gele forward. So I just turned it around and I started making pleats. That's what I did. Nothing much, just the longer hand, flipped it over and started making pleats. That was just what I did, and that is what I am doing. I'm making pleats. Like I said, you can make your pleats tinier by making smaller folds, but I am making my pleats bigger by making bigger folds. So round gele has to do with making pleats. Once you are good at making your pleats, you are good to go. Like I used to say, some people prefer making pleats on ground, but I prefer making it on my head. But making it on ground makes it faster too, but you have to take your time making the pleats patiently on ground. It still has to do with the same process, patience. So now I quickly tied it at the back before I continue with making my pleats. By tying it at the back makes it firm. Like all this my hair was really disturbing, and I was not seeing the back to even see the hair. So if you have hair like this, you can just pack it with rubber band first. So pack them together with rubber band. They will not be scattering like this. Now the main business is here, to keep making more pleats. This gele is not really big, but you can use a bigger gele and even a smaller one. Depends on how you patiently make your pleats. So yeah, I'm making my steps. The pleat is also the same thing as steps, what we call steps. So I'm making my pleats. I'm ensuring the pleats I'm making it round to the end. When I start in front here, I'll go round to the end of the other side and round to the end of the other side, the end of one side to the end of the other side. Yeah, so that is it. a lot of people, many people use pin. If you want to use pin, you are very free to use pin. You just use your pin to hold down those pleats. But I don't really use pin. So, but if you have pin at your disposal, you use pin to hold down your pleats. You understand? So I don't use pin. I'm not really used to using pin. I don't even think I've ever used pin, except maybe someone ties for me. But most times I tie my gele myself. So you can also do that. You tie yourself if you don't have pin. So that's the hand though, the hand at the back. I just tied it. Yeah, just tied it, tucked it in. Can you see? See my hair coming out. So yes, so your round gele is here, or your Yahoo gele is here. You can tie it to church. Very, very fast and simple. Very fast and easy to tie. I think the round gele is the easiest gele to tie and it's the finest. So what I'm just trying to do is I'm just trying to make it more firm. You see, I'm just trying to make it firm. That's just what I was trying to do. So arrange your pleats, make them round. Yeah, and now we are here. You can also pull it up. You can leave it this way, just like I did. Very easy to tie. See, very, very fine and easy to tie. At the same time too, I think I also pulled it up. Yeah, you can also pull it up. Maybe you want it to be tall. Some people like that gele very high, so you can pull it up just like I am doing. Can you see? Just make it high. So I'm just arranging. That's just what I'm doing. So you just pull it up. Once I move it to the back, move your gele to the back. It makes your face come out fine. You can also push it forward. Can you see how I'm doing it? Making it so round. Yeah, and this is the gele. Don't forget to hit the like button, please, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.